Does your factory encounter these problems? Have the space and equipment, but not enough order volume to meet production capacity. Working overtime every day. Machines running non-stop, but shocked when calculating profits at the end of the year. RUK helps you easily solve all problems. 5G Intelligent Factory System seamlessly integrate all aspects of the advertising industry. The intelligent ordering process not only includes the standard photo printing module, but also adds UV and banner printing sections, enables online 724 hours uninterrupted self-ordering, avoid wrong orders and missed orders, supports automatic order placement for multiple processes, save a lot of time for the business. The system can filter the corresponding orders according to the type. The system schedules production for orders of the same type and automatically matches the best materials with one click. Automatically generate unique formula after typesetting is completed. Contains information such as process, cutting files, cutting parameters, etc. All information is recorded on the QR code automatically generated by the system. 5G Intelligent Factory System see all material. Usage details in real time according to actual needs. Unique financial module makes financial reconciliation more convenient. Select the corresponding reconciliation date, and the system will automatically generate a reconciliation statement. The content includes details of each order, size, quantity, price, etc. Easy and convenient. Logistics Intelligent Module, convenient for clarifying order details and delivery status. Post-processing with 5G Intelligent Factory System. Automatically identify QR codes and extract cutting paths. Automatically match the corresponding cutting process. Automatically scan the mark point and automatically cut. According to different orders, the system automatically marks and identifies the finished products. It is convenient for operators to sort the finished products in sequence. While sorting, the equipment continues cutting, connecting the two major links. The system displays order completion status in real time. A full order progress bar indicates that the order can be packaged and processed. Count, unpack, finished. Products according to the storage location number. RUK 5G Intelligent Logistics System can reasonably optimize the optimal delivery route. Open the mobile app and click on Delivery Confirmation. Systematically and automatically complete each generation link. Ensure that there are no mistakes in the production process and reduce costs.